Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can get Among Us. Well, yeah, Among Us. Well, I'm gonna figure out another link that I can use, because the last link, it was an old version and no one even played on the old version. I think there's could use this. I hope there's no I didn't. Okay, continue. I guess. Add to Chrome. Add extension. I don't know what this is. No. Okay. Okay. I guess it's mega file. It's a mega file. Oh, sorry. I should have paid attention to. I hope this is not like the last game that I tried to download. The last game. Yes, it didn't. You need adults. You're gonna need adults' permission. Because let's show you. So if your parents says no, then just download the old version and see if anyone joins. Completed. Click the file. Okay. I think we did it. Did we do it? I think yes, we did it. So let's see let's see. No. Get away. How? Exit. Touch. It can turn into a tablet. Which I don't know how. Yes! This is the latest version. And yeah, that's how you get it. So if my camera's down all the way, then I'm gonna show you again to make sure you do understand. So again, go to this video, click the latest version. It was called how to download. I'm just gonna put it like that. Click the latest version link. Now, wait. Okay. Wait. Damn it. So here, click this link. Right? This one. And then click save or something. Which one? It should be it says cancel or save or whatever. So click this. And then this. if this is confusing, I'll make a next one. And this worked. I think this is only for Windows 10. If you have a Windows 10, that's great. This wouldn't destroy your computer, because this is a file for only Windows 10s. So download Among Us .exe. The only reason it's called .exe is because they're warning you about it will download a virus if you don't have the same computer. If you want to know if you have the same computer, go to down the bottom left, and then click go here, just click this white bar and go do this PC, right click it, which for me you have to click like this. Wait, hold up. Like this. But with a mouse, it'll just be fine. And then click Properties. And now it'll say whatever PC what you have, or yeah. And there, then click Among Us .exe. Be warned, I warned you. And then there. This will show up, just allow access. So, yeah, I hope you do enjoy this video. Yeah, I'm gonna be banned from YouTube, am I? But if I'm gonna still upload videos. I hope I don't get banned from, like, Jake Paul. He made videos which is inappropriate for kids. So, yep, I hope you enjoyed this video. Among Us, bye.